Good morning. I'm here at Kayla and Derek and Kayla's house, and let's take a tour. Sunday morning. Alright. I have to shoot that because it's really early. You're an hour behind. First of all, some of the new houses that went up, so they have no neighbors yet. But this is a shot of their house. Let's go in here. Kitchen. At the ocean. This is the garage. This is the garage. The Tacoma. Oh, this is my son-in-law's coffee bar. Looks like coffee's ready. Wish beige. They're still sleeping. They're moving and still. This is their third restroom. That's their bedroom. And that's the stairwell. Coming up the stairs. You can see through the windows. They're still sleeping. And the restroom. That's supposed to be my room. It's a mess. So I'm gonna do a short film. I'm gonna go have some coffee. Go now.